photosystem 2 involves the extension of the primary photosystem 1, with new reactions being added. An increase in protein complexity allowed for the advanced development of photosystem 2.
A plant. No human has ever been on Earth without them. Plants provide many necessities for human life. The orange juice you had for breakfast came from a tree, and the wheat in your cereal came from plants. Without the cotton from plants, you would probably be wearing only half the clothing you are. But plants also provide something just as important as food and clothing. They produce oxygen.
This is a plant. The plant is made up of millions and millions of cells. Inside plant cells are organelles called chloroplasts. Inside the chloroplasts are stacks of thylakoids. Photosynthesis takes place in these thylakoids. Inside the thylakoid is where photosynthesis occurs. Sunlight excites electrons in the pigments, shaking the electron free of a pigment molecule and allowing it to go down an electron transport chain and be used in the plant's production of energy. The pigment is reused many times and needs to replace its lost energy every time it is used. It does this by using an electron received from a hydrogen atom.
For this to occur, the next process takes place in photosystem 2 of the thylakoid. In photosystem 2, the sun's energy is used to break the bonds off an H2O molecule, resulting in 2 hydrogen atoms and a waste product of an oxygen atom. The oxygen is released from the plant, while the electrons from the hydrogen atoms replace the lost electrons in pigments. After an excited electron is released from a pigment, photosystem 2 passes it along to photosystem 1 by using a series of membrane-bound enzymes that take and then give away the electron. An enzyme that accepts the electron is said to be reduced, as its charge is reduced by receiving an electron, and the enzyme that gives the electron away is said to be oxidized.
Thank you, photosystem 2. I'm oxidized.
I'm reduced. I am oxidized.
I'm reduced. I'm oxidized.
I'm reduced.
As the electrons are being passed to photosystem 1, they attract the hydrogen protons from the stroma. The protons are then brought into the thylakoid. The electrons continue on the path all the way to photosystem 1. Once the electrons make it to photosystem 1, they attach to molecules of NADP+. At the same time, the NADP+ bonds with a hydrogen proton, forming NADPH. After this cycle repeats several times, there is a buildup of hydrogen protons within the thylakoid. The force of this concentration gradient between the inside and the outside of the thylakoid propels hydrogen protons in the thylakoid out through the ATP synthase protein. And now, on to the dark cycle.
Try it again.
Okay, I'm ready.
Press record twice to record.
What?
You have to press it twice.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Kendra, I'm serious this time. You have to press record twice. Wants to stop it right now.
Ah!
Recording.